on, use your brain here. If you had one, that is. Zach won't probably get up that hill again. You'll be fine. Right. You can do it, Zach. Up we go. Pretty good. Alright, alright. Too hard, Zach. Alright, Zach, we made it up to the top. What's next? Okay. Put the brakes on. Okay, good so far. Good job, Zach. Easy now. Let the freight cars take you. Too fast. Now, Zach, now. I did it, Isabella. Well done, Zach, well done. Good job, Zach. Zach, I must say, I am impressed. Thank you, Isabella. Oh, hey guys, what did I miss? Well, you missed the part where me and Isabella tried to get a freight train up the hill. I don't know that you hope so, but you definitely. Yes, good job, Zach. You definitely made an improvement. Oh, you're welcome, Dan. Well, you better watch out because I might overtake you. Overtake me? Ha! No one ever takes me, Zach. I'm a really splendid M1 who knows how to deal with freight cars. I have my own way with them that allows me to deliver them early and safely. It's called strategy. You think you got that, Zach? Oh, I think I got something even better, Dan. I'll have you know that I pushed the freight cars uphill with no trouble at all. It's called skill. Oh, you think you got skill? Not even delivered one goods train successfully. Whoop-de-doo, hotshot. You think you're better than me? I delivered more freight trains than you ever had in your life. Alright, I'm just teasing you, man. No, Zach, it's okay. I'm alright, I'm calm. Don't make it personal. I'm just congratulating you, man. That was really aggressive congratulating here. Well, I'm not aggressive, you are.